May listeners feel like to kindly take over and share the introduction of our AI with you. Dhiren,
Hi friends, you know that the world is world of communication, and today's app is short version, or you can say its logo is of AI, artificial intelligence. And when we want to communicate, when we want to break free, we say hi, hello, and these are the communicating words to open up our communication. Dr. Kurian started white revolution, then we have IT revolution, and now we are having artificial intelligence. You can love artificial intelligence, you can hate artificial intelligence, but you cannot ignore artificial intelligence in your life. AI is no longer just a concept from science fiction. It's a reality driving innovation across industries. From healthcare to finance, education to transportation, AI is enabling machines to learn, reason, and make decisions. Tasks once thought to be uniquely human. Why AI is so important in our life? Because it amplifies human potential. It helps doctors diagnose disease earlier and faster, assist businessmen and businesses in predicting market trends. It helps educators imparting education. Technologies like autonomous making vehicles and smart assistance devices and gadgets. In short, AI is not replacing humans, it is augmenting our capabilities. However, with great power comes with great responsibility. This quote I have heard in the movie Spider-Man. And I think we should imbibe this concept in one's life as well. Ethical consideration, data privacy, and transparency must guide AI development in one's lives. We need to ensure that AI serves humanity, not the other way around in criminal cases, creating fraud, etc. The future belongs to those who embrace AI responsibly. So let us not fear this technology. Let's learn, adapt, and innovate. Let's embrace together the technology in our life. We can certainly shape our future where AI works for the betterment of society. So we are using Archive first time in Gujarat thanks to the principal's vision of implementing the policy of our nation and canvassing and following vocal for local voice. And last but not least, I would like to address and tell all the communities of teaching fraternity and students by saying that the illiterate of the 21st century will not be those who cannot read and write, but those who cannot learn, unlearn, and relearn the education system. And this is a quote of Alvin Toffler. So accept technology in your life to enable our ways of living and imparting education. We have got very good speaker, and that is none other than Rakesh Dami sir. He will talk on length on AI. Thanks for giving me a chance to introduce the topic on AI. Kavita ma'am, thank you so much.